plus y square of the quadratic form x square plus y square minus 2 rho xy. So we can manipulate this thing as like if I add and subtract rho y square and subtract rho y square. So this is nothing but x minus rho square y square. X minus rho y whole square plus 1 minus rho square into y square. So now like if we consider this u as x minus rho y, so covariance of this u comma y is nothing but covariance of x comma y minus rho times variance of phi. So that is nothing but rho minus rho, which is 0. So that means this u and y are independent normals. Now if these are independent normals, we can compute the variances. Variance of u is nothing but variance of x plus rho square variance of y minus 2 rho covariance of x comma y, which is 1 plus rho square minus 2 rho square, which is 1 minus rho square. So u is nothing but square root of 1 minus rho square into z1, and y is z2, and z1 and z2 are normal 0, 1 and independent. So that means q is nothing but 1 minus rho square z1 square plus 1 minus rho square z2 square, which is 1 minus rho square into z1 square plus z2 square. Now we know that z1 square plus z2 square follows chi-square with 2 degrees of freedom, and we know its MGF as 1 minus 2s whole inverse for s is less than half. So now the MGF of q is nothing but e to the power tq, which is expectation of e to the power 1 minus rho square into t into z1 square plus z2 square, which is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus rho square into t whole inverse, which is nothing but 1 by 1 minus 2t plus 2 rho square t. Or we can also do this directly because we are having 0 mean. So 0 mean xy whole transpose, the covariance is sigma. So basically q is nothing but z transpose az. So the moment generating function is nothing but determinant of I minus 2t sigma a minus half, where this sigma is nothing but 1 rho 1, and a is nothing but 1 minus rho and 1. So if we simplify, sigma a is nothing but 1 minus rho square into I. So that means this moment generating function of q is nothing but I minus 2t into 1 minus rho square into I whole to the power minus half, which is 1 minus 2 into 1 minus rho square whole to the power t minus 1. So the same thing. So which is nothing but option C. And this is 0.